Hi everyone, this is Tyler Baker, VP of Engineering here at Qualcomm, and welcome to our Embedded World 2025 demo. So what we want to show you is a real world use case we solved with our new acquisition, Edge Impulse, using our FoundriesFactory platform to deploy updates to the RB3 Gen2. So what we have here is a people detection app running the Edge Impulse YOLO V5 model with our IM SDK, and what you can see here is it's really not picking up people well. And this is probably due to the way our training data was acquired. We used, stock photos, royalty-free photos, and we trained it for people. Obviously, the lighting conditions here at the show are very much different. The lens itself on the camera is different here. So what we actually need to do is acquire real data so we can train our model, so we can have a more accurate people detection. So let's show you how we do that with Edge Impulse and Foundries. So we're going to go into the Foundries platform. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tear this app down and we're going to deploy the Edge Impulse data acquisition agent so that we can grab live frames from here. We can label it with the AI system. We can retrain the model and we can hopefully deploy a more accurate model and app to the device. So let's do that. All right, so we're going to push the data acquisition app on, and this is all being done remotely. So the device will update here. What you'll see is the app will come down, and then the app for data acquisition will come online here, and then we'll be able to grab and acquire frames. Hold on one second, there it goes. Okay, so now this is where the magic happens. So we've taken down the people detection app and we've deployed the Edge Impulse command line in data acquisition mode. And what's great about our platform, it's running in a container, but the device automatically registers. So I didn't have to run any commands on the device. It's already connected to Edge Impulse. So let's go ahead and acquire a few frames of data here. Okay, so here's our device. You can see we have a live camera feed coming. So we're gonna go ahead and start sampling some images. And this is grabbing actual images from this device here, from the show floor. So what we're doing is we're going to sample the image directly live from this camera here. We can do this remotely on one device or 1,000 devices or 10,000 devices, it doesn't matter. So what you can see here is now we have 5 new images in our label queue. And obviously we went and we collected 127 images this morning. And what we want to do is label these images, and there's a neat feature called AI labeling. And so what we're going to do is we're going to actually use an LLM to label in bounding box the new images that we've acquired. So we'll go ahead and do that now. And this is going to be an automated process, which is going to label the new data for us. And then we're going to retrain the model, and then we're going to deploy the model to the edge here, and we should have much better performance. So now we have our newly acquired data uploaded and labeled using the LLM in Edge Impulse. So we're going to go ahead and retrain the model. So all we have to do is just click train and retrain. And now it automatically is going to retrain us this model. And once that's done, we're going to be able to download the deployment IM SDK app, and we're going to be able to deploy in the Foundries platform here, and we should have much better performance. All right, so now we've retrained the model. We've taken the deployment, we've containerized the deployment in the Foundries system. We're going to go ahead and deploy it now, and hopefully we see some better performance. Okay, so now we've deployed the updated app with the retrained model live on Embedded World 2025 floor here, and you can see the performance is much better. We're picking up a lot more people in the object detection model. So this is just a quick demo to show how powerful the integration between Foundries and Edge Impulse can be, where we can quickly come to a location where we have different environmental conditions. We can use the technology provided by Edge Impulse to sample that data, quickly retrain a model, and then use the Foundry system to deploy that securely to the edge. So thank you for watching the demo, and come see us at the next Embedded World.